guys, welcome back to the kingdom. I hope you guys have had positive weeks this week. So this week I'll be sharing with you guys the book makeover I did for Jurassic Park. Now Jurassic Park is obviously famous as a film, but not a lot of people know that it is also a book. So let me show you what I did. So this is the end result. So we've got this gold, it's actually metallic but you just can't see it in this lighting. So you've got gold and silver writing for the title and the author's name, dinosaur design on the front, and then on the back we also have another dinosaur design, two-tone. Show you that. And then we've got sprayed edge running all the way around with dinosaurs. So this was actually a commission. A customer contacted me and they wanted a book for their son who was really into dinosaurs and things. And I said, well, do you know Jurassic Park is a book? And I'm really excited to be able to do this book because I honestly don't think there are many circumstances where I would get to draw dinosaurs. And I really love the result. I think it's really special, really unique. So yeah, I'm not going to witter much further and I'll just jump into the time lapse. So what do you think? Do you like the colour scheme? Would you have done different colours? I really like the red and black because it keeps up the urgency and the drama of the book, of the thriller, and I just love the way that it's so bold and it stands out, and I'm just so pleased with the results. If you want to bag yourself a copy, then feel free to check out my Etsy and my website www.kingdombookdesigns.com, and they'll definitely be up there if you guys want to purchase something. Also, if you want to get your own completely custom book, just message me on any of my social media platforms or through Etsy or my website and I will absolutely respond. Also, I have a brand new Instagram, so please go and check that out. It's at Kingdom Book Designs, and obviously it is the Instagram account for my business, and it's the same for TikTok. I've got at Kingdom Book Designs on there, so please go make sure you check them out because you'll see all of my new stuff before it comes out. Okay, as to what you will be seeing soon, so there will be another studio vlog coming out soon. So for those of you who like that sort of small business girl bossy type stuff, you can see how I run my artistic business. The books that will be coming your way will be Forest of Souls, which has got this amazing spider design that I cannot wait to show you guys, honestly. In fact, little sneak peek, you've got this bright green edging. So you can see this bright green edge, which is going to be accented with spiders, and I'm going to do spiders on the front cover and spiders on the back cover. It's going to be fantastic. We've also got Kingdom of the Wicked and Kingdom of the Cursed coming up as well. And given that it's, you know, October and the spooky season, I think that this is really gonna tie in nicely to the, I don't know, the general aesthetic of the season at the moment, which is nice. Some other books we've got coming up, we've got Clockwork Angel and Cinder. Both have got sort of steampunk vibes that I'm just in love with at the moment. We're also going to see From Blood and Ash as a sprayed edge as well, and I'm going for like a black background with sort of that red leaf type design. It'll make more sense when you see it. I'm also going to do Empire of the Vampire. I am working on getting the thing that I've got specially planned for A Court of Silver Flames. I'm working on getting that done properly, which is really exciting. I can't wait to show you guys what I'm doing with that because it's a process very different to what I normally do, but I think the results are just going to be stunning. I'm also going to be doing Once Upon a Broken Heart at some point, so that's kind of the run up to the end of the year, I'm thinking, in terms of what I'll be bringing out and showing you guys. If you guys let me know what order you want to see things or you want to see different books, just please let me know. All comments are taken under advisement. Until next time, I hope you guys have positive weeks and enjoy your reading. Bye!